how to set multipath networking to none, handover, or interactive on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Developer Settings. Now if you do not have Developer Settings, you go into Privacy and Security, and you want to turn on Developer Mode. Now tap on Developer, then we go down and tap on Multipath Networking. From here, if you choose none, it will be turned off. Otherwise, you can select Handover or Interactive, and that will turn on Multipath Networking. So Multipath Networking in iPhone developer settings is a feature that allows an app to utilize multiple network interfaces simultaneously to improve connectivity, speed, or reliability. It is primarily used in specific scenarios where robust and seamless network performance is required. So what does multipath networking do? Now there are three things. It combines multiple interfaces, enhance connectivity, and optimize network performance. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.